Hello guys, this is Siddharth and this is the first time I'm going to be talking to the camera, and I'm going to be informing you guys what am I going to do in in coming few weeks. So it's going to be fun. I'm going to go Everest base camp, as you guys must have been getting the information through my Snapchat and Insta. So yeah, I'm gonna be making videos about it and also talking about my experience on the way. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you there. Alright, guys, so this is gonna be my bag. This is gonna be one of my bags. So this is gonna go for the porter, and this is the Quechua stuff, something for the hiking. That's for me. So as you can see, it's fully packed right now, all the stuff inside it, and I guess it is below 10 kgs, hopefully, because that's the amount of the weight which the porter is going to carry. So fingers crossed. And that was not in focus, but fuck it. Nice. See you guys later. Is it recording or what the fuck? Yes, recording. Fucking hell. Alright, guys, so you guys might want to know what was in my bag. So here it is. I can barely focus it. What the fuck? Yeah. Alright. So that old stuff was in the bag, and yeah, that's. Bear with me, guys. I'm new to this vlogging situation and I don't know how to speak properly. Please follow me on Instagram. I only have 134 followers. I have 120 posts, 134 followers. Wow, man, I have good stuff going on, but no one cares. Forget it. See you guys later. And my lens, it broke, so this is a new problem situation I have to be in with 3mm lens, because I broke mine. Right now we are in Kathmandu Chatola guest house and going for shopping to get some equipment and jackets. So let's see. I have no idea where am I heading. I'm completely lost. I lost my group 15-20 minutes prior, and I'm still trying to find them. I don't know where the fuck I am. Let's see if I find someone.
1 hour later.
I guess I found them. Finally, after 1 hour, I found them. Thank God. Everyone is here.
Go inside.
Hello, thank you.
Go inside.
Having morning breakfast with this lady. Nice place. So this is what we are doing, and the flights are delayed. Nice. Sitting here, that's all. Waiting. So as we begin the trek tomorrow, we are just hanging out here. Let's go. Okay. So here we are. What do you think about this place?
This is so cool, rock band.
Go behind.
It's awesome. Oh my god.
Okay, apparently there's a rock band in this cafe. Well, that's great. Woo. It is 6:30 in the morning, and we are getting ready to leave this place and start the trek by taking the flight at Lukla. So far this hotel has been amazing. It's really good. This apparently it's called Garden of Dreams. Please don't click off the camera. So we are here just to pass our time as our flight is delayed. And it's 50 mm, so your finger won't come in.
खोया इन राहों में अब मेरा कुछ भी नहीं। हर पल हर लम्हा मैं कैसे ये सहता रहता हूँ। हर पल हर लम्हा मैं खुद से ये कहता रहता हूँ। तुझे भुला दिया हो, तुझे भुला दिया हो, तुझे भुला दिया हो, फिर क्यों तेरी यादों ने मुझे रुला दिया हो, मुझे रुला दिया।
एक मिनट नीतीश,
रिटर्न का हम टाइमिंग देंगे, बट ये जो फर्स्ट फ्लाइट सेकंड
नहीं वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ। एक मिनट, हम लोग अपनी
ड्राई
तरफ
तो
से बोल रहे हैं, आप अपनी तरफ से।
When is your flight?
बट मतलब
This is the earliest flight.
21st एवरी नाइट 3 o'clock 3 o'clock 3 o'clock।
आप मुंबई फ्लाइट जाने में तो यू आर चार्जिंग $30
Very touching.
प्रॉपर। मैंने सुना वहाँ से सस्ता पड़ता है, ऐसा है क्या?
सस्ता यहाँ से भी पड़ सकता है, वहाँ से भी पड़ सकता है। बस यही है कि उधर से, जैसे कि आप इधर से जा रहे हो, उधर से कोई आने वाला है